The essence of the inverse square law can be seen in the concept of flux, a Latin word meaning flow. Light flows out from the sun equally in all directions. As it spreads out, getting farther from the sun, its intensity decreases. But imagine a sphere enclosing the sun. All the light would pass through the sphere, no matter what its distance from the sun. And the area of a sphere grows as the square of its radius. So the amount of light energy per unit area decreases as the square of the distance.
The inverse square law wasn't the only provocative idea to which Faraday was exposed as a young man. By 1810, he was a regular visitor at the Royal Institution, particularly at the lectures of the institution's legendary professor, Sir Humphrey Davy. Chemist and natural philosopher, a scholar who was knighted, made a baronet and president of the Royal Society. Davy was the very crest of British science. With his own research as the subject, Davy spoke as the world's authority on every element from sodium to potassium, chlorine to iodine. Davy became a scientific father figure for Faraday and remained a mentor and enormous influence for almost 20 years, although the relationship was at times a rocky one. But under Davy's influence, in the golden age of chemistry, none shone brighter than Michael Faraday. He discovered benzene, liquefied chlorine gas, and developed new alloys of steel. The list of his remarkable accomplishments as a chemist goes on and on. Nonetheless, in 1821, Faraday set aside his work in chemistry. In that year, Ørsted discovered the effect electric current has on magnets. And while that effect can be seen clearly now, in 1821, it was still a great scientific mystery. Indeed, why would the compass needle line up perpendicular to the electric current? Sparked by curiosity to begin with, and asked by an editor to write an article that would end the scientific confusion, Faraday set out to solve the mystery for himself. Faraday saw the possibility of harnessing the force of an electrical current and invented a device to do it. That device happened to be the first electric motor.